check out the top, guys. So this is magnetic. You guys can see that it has magnet. It's on my actual top of my stove here. It's a little dirty, but we're able to put every single ingredient here. If you guys can see that, it doesn't take any of my space. It's perfect for that. Silicone, it won't get burned easily. Put all your ingredients in here. The magnet's a plus. All right, so when you're cooking, your ingredients are right in front of you. You don't have to do anything like that. This is magnetic silicone, very simple, easy to wash too, because it does get greasy in here. So I'm making spaghetti, for example, and I'm putting everything in here that I require. Oregano a little bit to the water. I like to add a little bit oregano to the water, so just a little bit, just to give it that oregano taste. All my ingredients up here, very simple. It does. If it gets hot, this is it's all silicone, so it's perfect, water fire resistant. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.